Did you know that medieval women once outsmarted an entire army using just 3 words? During a siege in Germany, the conquering forces offered the women of Weinsberg Castle a deal. They could leave safely and take whatever they could carry on their backs. The soldiers expected them to grab gold, silver, and precious jewels. But these clever women had a completely different plan. One by one, they emerged from the castle, carrying their husbands, fathers, and sons on their backs. The stunned soldiers watched in disbelief as the women walked right past them with their most precious treasures. The army couldn't break their word since they had technically kept the agreement. Even the commanding general was so impressed by their wit and loyalty that he pardoned all the men and spared the entire city. These brave women saved dozens of lives using nothing but intelligence and love. The event became so legendary that it created the German term Treue Weiber, meaning faithful wives. Sometimes the best weapons aren't swords or shields, but pure cleverness.